Alrighty, so first thing we're gonna do is lightly toast some white bread, some yucky white bread. We're gonna butter it up.
Butter.
Add some thinly sliced ham, your pineapple pieces, and then boom, some yucky old cheese food. Now we're gonna take it, slide into the oven, and broil it up and melt the cheese. Alrighty, and then after a few minutes in the toaster, after your cheese is melted, there you go. And now we're gonna throw a maraschino cherry on top here.
Fancy schmancy.
So there you have it, toast Hawaii. Let's give it a go. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to eat it.
Choking on that white bread and cheese, shiny cheese food.
I'm not ready for that that citrusy pineapple. I wasn't ready for that bite. It tastes like I just mucked up my grilled cheese. How the hell did this ever become popular in Germany? I like it, but I think we can make a fancier toast Hawaii.
Chef Buck.
I think we can. We're actually going to use a jalapeno bagel. So we got our bagel lightly toasted up. A little bit of butter on there. Just like before, I thought about cream cheese. And that would be, what would that be? Too much not like toast Hawaii.
This is about toast Buck.
So we're going to put a little bit more ham than we had on there before last time. Pineapple, boom. And then instead of just yellow cheese, we're gonna put a little bit of shredded Gruyere cheese on there.
Ooh, fancy.
So now we'll go ahead and toast this up. Alrighty, so we got it melted up there. Instead of maraschino cherries, boom, we'll put a couple of pieces of strawberry in there. Ta-da!
Let's eat.
Alrighty, so there is our fancy pants toast Hawaii. Dispense with the strawberry. I think I like the fancy pants version better.
Blasphemy.
I think so because it weighs more. I always like food if it weighs more. We're fancy pants people.
Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the videos. This is the Chef Buck Show.